Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I'm in Magical Math. My name is Cheshtakeshri. I am 10 years old. This video is part 7. In my previous magical video, you have learned multiplication of 9 series number where multipliers digits are equal as of multiplicand's digits and multipliers digits are less than multiplicand's digit. Today, we will be discussing multiplication of 9 series number where multiplicand is having less number of digits than multiplier. For example, this, or this, and this. And as usual, we are going to solve it one line and in seconds using Vedic Maths. Today's Jadoo. As told just now, we will see how to do multiplication with 9 series number, where multiplicand's digits are less than multiplier's digits. For example, here, multiplicand has 2 digits while multiplier has 3 digits. Again, here, multiplicand has 4 digits while multiplier has 8 digits, etc. I've taken this example. As always, before going to actual magic, I want to share today's secret. And the secret is the multiplier has to be divided into 2 parts. But the $1,000,000 question is how to divide. Well, I will explain. I put it divider line here. Divider line depends on the multiplicand's digits. Here, multiplicand has 2 digits, so I put a divider line after 2 digits. Keep in mind, you have to always count digits from right. Multiplier's right part and this is multiplier's left part. And then applying magic part rule as we discussed in last video. Hope you friends remember magic part. Just to revise, combine left part and right part, where left part means multiplier minus 1 minus multiplier left part, and right part means multiplicand plus 1 minus multiplier right part. Let's apply the Jadoo. For example, I took this question. As you already know, this number is multiplier and this number is multiplicand. As per today's secret, I've written this question answer in form of magic part, like this. Now, let's divide multiplier. Now, let's find out left and right part value. Left part means multiplier minus 1 minus multiplier left part. So 681 minus 1 is 680 and 680 minus 6 is 674. Now, right part means multiplicand plus 1 minus multiplier right part. So 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 minus 81 is 19. That's just replace left and right parts with value. Like this. The answer is done. As said, done in one line. Here I mentioned steps that we followed today. Please go through it. For better understanding, I've shown some more example here, where left part and right part of the question 1 are calculated as shown here. Same as for question 2 and question 3. And note, I put a divider line after 2 digits from right because multiplicand is having 2 digits. Here I put divider line after 3 digits from right because multiplicand is having 3 digits. Here I put divider line after 7 digits because multiplicand is having 7 digits. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my video. I would like to request, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and like my video and share my videos. If you have any doubts or question or any tips for me, please write in comments. Please solve below question using today's Jadoo. Please keep in mind, my video will come on every Sunday. Bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.